Bybit will be launching a new token on their launch pool, and this is one of the best way to make money in crypto. And if you want to learn more about crypto, or you want to stay update on how to make money with crypto, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Like this video so you can get more people and help my channel grow. So first thing you need to do is come to under trade and come to launch pool on your Bybit account, and it's going to show launch pool and earn new token by staking crypto on Bybit. So that's it. And the total price pool right here in USDC, they have raised this 36 million. Remember, where people are making money, you will see people are putting money there, and over 3 million people have already participated in this event and 37 projects. So people are making money with this kind of launch pool. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. I'm going to give you everything information you need to know how to make money with this process. So let's get into this video. So right here we have major token. This major token is play to earn game on Telegram with a unique idea and implementation. So you can come to this white website right here to learn more about this project and this white paper right here and these rules. So you can click here to learn more about this. And right here, one thing you need to first do is press this register to participate. So once you press this and you see I've registered to participate in this event, now let me explain this event to you. Right here there is this APR. Right here is 960 APY, and this event is going to start, staking is going to start in 21 hours, and the period of this pool is going to last, it's going to start 22 of November 10 o'clock UTC time, and it's going to end 27 10 o'clock UTC time of November. That's 5 days. And here is this theory pool, and this MNT pool, you'll be able to farm this token. So if you have this token in your account, you'll be able to, when this pool open, you'll be able to stake this and get free token, and you will share 300,000 with people who they are putting their MNT token in this pool to earn. You see, stake MNT to earn major token, and the same thing goes to this USDT pool. If you stake your USDT pool, you'll be sharing 500,000 token with everyone who they are staking their USDT. And right here you'll be able to stake also. And if you have Tone token on Bybit, you can also stake this token and earn this free major token. And when this listing starts right here in 6 days 23 hours 14 minutes, then sell your token and make a profit. So that's how these things work. Note, the more token you stake, the more profit you're going to make. So people are making money with this. Anytime you see people are putting money in some project or some activities, note they are making money there. So for this token right here, this token is a native liquidity up with a majority market share in both DEX and volume and TVL on this Blast network. So this event is going to last for 4 days right here. So staking period is going to start 21 of November to 10 o'clock UTC this time, and it's going to end 26 of November 10 o'clock UTC this time. So the price pool is going to be 10 million of this token, and you can go to their website to read more about this project. And the APY in this event is 187.92%, and the staking ends in 4 days 21 hours and 30 minutes. We've already talked about that. And the listing is going to start in 5 days 21 hour 12 minutes and 50 seconds. So how will you be able to earn this token? Stake your MNT to earn more of THRUST token. That's 3 million of this token. And the same thing go with this USDT pool. And you can just press right here, register. So right here, I've successfully registered in this event. So right now, you can stake your token. You can press this claim stake to earn, and you'll be able to stake your USDT. Right here, if I press this right here, it's going to load up and it's going to ask me to input my USDT if I want to use USDT. I'm going to press the amount of USDT I want to stake, and I'll be able to press this. I've confirmed and press this confirm only if you have a token to stake. So right here, this is the information you need to know about this event. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I will see you on the next video.